Hey guys, so today I am doing a homeware haul. I think this is my last homeware haul for 2018. I think my next homeware haul will be like a Christmas decor. Watch out for my Christmas decor haul coming up really soon. The past couple of weeks I've been shopping and buying just things to sort of like update the house. So the first couple of items we're going to start off with are from WILKO. Now, the first item I got from WILKO, which I'm actually sitting on at the moment, it's basically the WILKO large faux linen Ottoman, and I got it in a grey, but you can get it in a cream. And when I got it, it was £17, but its regular price is £22. I got it because it was really perfect, and it's great for storage. I'm using it to store clothes that I need to iron. So normally I had like it's called a trug or trunk. It's like a pink basket that I got from WILKO as well. I think it was earlier this year, and like I was using it to like put all like my clothes that I need to iron in that basket. It's just, it doesn't look pretty. But it's Ottoman, right? I put all the clean clothes right here after they've dried, put it in here right here, and like seriously, no one knows. No one knows if think, oh, it's just, you know, a nice little seat. But that way it's more clean and it's not like, you know, clutter. And what I love about the Ottoman is that I can just sit here, like I'm filming my video and I'm sitting on it. Or when I'm trying to do my makeup, I basically just turn around and do my makeup, fix my hair, especially curling my wigs. Yeah, I can sit here, curl my wig. I got my TV right there in the background, so like, you know, I'm hearing what everything's that's going on. And with the Ottoman, it came like just normal grey plain. So I thought I'll DIY it and add some like diamond gems onto it. Yeah, I feel like this is just really nice, and seriously, you can literally sit on this. Don't think because it's cheap it's gonna break down on you. You sit down on it. First time you sit down and you're like, oh, okay, is it seriously? Because like I'm a plus size woman, so like first time I sat on it I was like, I hope I don't break it. No, I'm comfortable now. It's good. Next from WILKO, I got the large basket. Now, it's a large basket. No, there's a larger basket than this one. But basically, I got this basket because it was £7, and I got it because I needed to declutter my wardrobe. When I say declutter my wardrobe, like the top shelf of my wardrobe, like the, you know, the rack bit, yeah, that I decluttered, and like I have a system with that. That's fine. It's just up there. It was like every time I go and get some trousers, like the clothes would be in a nice pile, and then you're just looking at the trousers and you're thinking, if I pull those pair of jeans, I am ruining my pile. Like literally the pile will just start going like this. I thought, let me just get a new system. So I decluttered all my clothes, and I was like, I'm going to use this basket to like do the folding system. I know there's like a word for this folding system. Then like fold all my trousers, and like whenever I need like a pair of trousers, I just go to my basket, pull the basket, find my trousers, and then bam, put it on and put the basket back. But I do need one more basket, maybe two more, but I'm gonna get one more basket because obviously you do see that there is a small pile of clothes, but I only bought one because I was like, I'm going to declutter, so I don't really know how much I'm going to declutter. So I thought, let me get one. If I need another one, these baskets are always being sold in WILKO, so yeah, and it's not going to discontinue because they're so popular. Next, I got myself the WILKO fleece blanket. There's a word for this, right? Yeah. Basically, I think they're called a fleece blanket. Basically, they are these large, like blankets, right? Yeah. When I bought it, they were being sold for £10, but it said like, you know, it was produced from £16 or £18, and like I was like, oh my goodness, I have to grab it. It was seriously. It was the perfect size because at the moment we have sofas, and like the sofas are a little bit damaged, like they're ripped a little, and like it's not, I don't like that look. We are going to buy like brand new sofas in the near future, but we personally just want to like look at the market and invest on really good sofas that will last us a really long time. So I thought, when I saw these blankets, I literally walked in, wasn't even looking for them. I was looking for the blankets, but I couldn't, for some reason I just can't find the right size, or the right size is just too expensive. And like I went into WILKO and they were just there, a bunch of them, different colours, like like light blue, cream, grey, and then I saw the black one because our sofas are black. So I thought, let me get the black ones, and like, yes, they were so perfect. They cover like not all of the whole sofa, but like it's just good enough to like hide away all the ripped parts of the sofa. And like, yeah, so perfect. And like, seriously, in the future you're gonna see hauls of me buying pillows, like not pillows, cushions, that's the word. The last thing I got from Wilko, and it's basically just a normal laundry basket. It's a grey laundry basket, the long one. But the reason why I got this grey laundry basket, my original laundry basket, the problem is I was using that laundry basket, apart from my daughter, she has a laundry basket in her room, but like I was the one, like this second laundry basket was the only laundry basket that I was using for the rest of the whole house. I was using this like medium sized, I don't think this is medium sized, I think small size laundry basket. And like it's at some point you can see like there's a pile of clothes, you can't even see the laundry basket. And in Wilko they were selling this grey laundry basket, and it was so perfect for our family. Now it's like there's a proper laundry basket in like the corner of the room, and it just looks more tidy. Also with this laundry basket, I think it comes with a lid. So yeah, because it was the last laundry basket, I think the lids run out, so that's probably why. But I'm not fussy, but like I just look at, if you want a lid, I seriously think it comes with a lid. If you don't see a lid, yeah, go and ask them. Next, I went into B&M. Now in B&M, I got this mirror that you're seeing behind me here, and it's called a ornate mirror. Now this mirror, right, it's basically if you guys watch like my last like B&M haul, I link it up here if you're interested. I basically got this like mirror, right, from B&M, really pretty mirror. It's hanging actually over there. Basically bought this mirror because I got a new dressing table. One of my biggest dreams was to get myself a dressing table mirror, but the problem with the original mirror is like the dressing table was making the original mirror look small. And you can only hang it like either landscape or straight down. Landscape, yeah, but I hanged it up in landscape, and it was just basically perfect. And it cost me £7.99, which that was such a bargain. The next thing I actually went for as a George, and I got myself this vase, and it's basically a clear glass vase because I wanted to upgrade the original vase that I had from Poundland, which I saw like my red rose, my Beauty and the Beast like red rose. It reminds me of Beauty and the Beast, this rose. Seriously, I got it for £1, but it's giving me Beauty and the Beast vibe. Lovely. And it was £2, so it was like, yeah, bargain. Look out for my Christmas decor haul, which is, again, it's going to be on a budget. Yeah, good on a budget. And yeah, take care of yourselves. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Bye guys.